Hello everyone, this is Amy. Tapping your way through a banking transaction back home in general is a quick errand, but using a touchscreen terminal in South Korea is much easier once you know a couple of simple terms. It's not about memorizing complex financial codes or feeling overwhelmed by security menus. It's simply a practical, everyday way to get your cash and manage your funds without any digital mix-ups. When you need to set up an account, change money, or speak with a friendly teller, you will want to look for a local bank branch. Let's practice this foundational business word together. Listen closely. Eunhaeng. Repeat after me. Eunhaeng. Once you step up to an automated teller machine or kiosk, you can handle your wallet needs instantly. If you need to grab some local cash for dinner or shopping, look past the generic options and find the exact button for cash withdrawal. Let's practice this essential on-screen command button. Listen closely. Chulgeum. Repeat after me. Chulgeum. Mastering these quick user interface shortcuts is a fantastic tool that keeps your daily city errands running beautifully, smoothly, and completely street-ready. Subscribe to Bisset Study Abroad to unlock the next social code. Stay smart, talk happy, see ya!